Hey snipers, what's going on? It's Ronnie at SST. My partner is Dave. Guys, this is one of our daily trade recaps. I want to go over two trades we took in live London last night, which was Monday, January 9th. I want to break it down. A trade we took a buy on US30 and also a sell we took on GBPUSD. I want to break those down. And then our final trade rate recap will be our AI signal that we sent today on a sell on US30 around noon, 12 p.m. Eastern, and it ran for over 200 pips. So I just want to go over kind of like the psychology that we were going through when we took these trades, and hopefully you guys can understand a little more. So let's get into it. So right over here, okay, I want to start off with US30. So these lines on my chart are from a daily top-down analysis. I don't want to get too into that, how we do it, but we do every live London, as every single session, we do a top-down analysis from a daily to a 4-hour or hourly, and then we move it down to 5-minute increments so we know where our higher time frame levels are. So if you can see these purple lines on my chart, they represent daily highs and lows. Yellow lines on the chart are other critical daily areas where we could get some price action, have a move or a critical area. And then these smaller red lines are 5-minute levels you can see here. So I just want to walk you through it. We start our live London call around 3 a.m. Eastern, 3:15 a.m. Eastern. We do top-down charting till about 4 a.m. Eastern, and then we start to trade after 4 a.m. So I just want to walk you through like over here, when we started the call, okay, this is pre-London, just before 3 a.m. Then 3 a.m. started. So you can start to see how London market came up bullish and then got rejected. And it was kind of consolidating within this, this accumulation zone. And then around 325, leading into 330, we started to make a bullish move, coming back up to retest this area. So I'm just going to forward each candle to show you what is going on here. So we had a 340 candle come up, break, retest this. The white line is an hourly support line. So we're holding volume where it's coming. It's breaking now this neckline that it couldn't break over here. Here was an impulse break, but the candle closed down here. So it got rejected at this area. So now we're looking to see if we can close with some volume above this area and look for a possible retest to take a buy. So this is 345. This is a new 15-minute candle as well. You always want to pay attention to your new 15, 30-minute hourly candles as they bring in volatility into the market. So I'm just going to play it back until 4 a.m. So we see it got rejected up here. Okay, we're not really breaking any new highs. We close with some volume above, but we're looking for more positive volume to stay above here. We retrace back down and it retested 33,610. So you can see that it is holding this hourly support. There is a little bit of a double bottom where it came down here, it went back up, and it came down. There's the double bottom, and now we're coming up. So we're concentrating a lot of the volume in this area, and we're trying to have this double bottom W breakout out of this neckline. But we're picking up bids down here. It's still holding positive, and we're approaching a new hourly candle coming into the market in the next 10 minutes. So here's 355. We see it come down bearish again. Now our next candle is going to open 4 a.m. So this is where it was started off as a bullish candle, and I went in on a 1-trade buy. So I took a buy and it came up to here. So it broke out 4 a.m., new hourly volatility, broke out of here, creating a new higher high in the market, and I entered into a buy, and I'm looking for a possible retest to take a bigger position in the market on a retest. So this is the area that I have in the circle highlighting where we took a buy, and now we're looking for the retest, the next candle. So let's see how it retested. So it opened bullish and came right back down to retest. See this area where it was a previous high. Now we have the volume above it, new hourly candle. So on the next candle, I started to take another buy when it started to break out of this area. So this is where we bought, okay, another buy. This was a smaller buy to get the feel of the market, and then now we entered into more of a confirmation buy as we held support at this level. So it retested, held this area, this neckline used to be resistance turning into supply. So now the bids are stacking and we're getting demand in the market now. So we got into a buy on US30 and we took it above this yellow line. See where it pulled back over here and got rejected. So now we're bringing some more volume to try and break this previous area and continue to move up. We closed above a yellow daily line. So now we got 5-minute short volume above a daily. And now we're looking to continue the move, creating higher highs and higher lows in the market. So we continue to push up. Then we started to consolidate in here. And this is where we kind of trapped the volume and we get another bullish push where it broke out again and retesting the next yellow line, testing here for a further potential higher high move after it pulled back. Okay, so a lot of times it pulls back, but it pulls back to an area of structure where it pulled back here, got a rejection wick, pulled back here, got a rejection wick, 33,650 area, pulled back again, 33,650, holding support, creating higher lows in the market and continuing to break out of here. So this move, to just calculate how far of a move it was from here, the breakout, it ran for about approximately 80 pips, okay, 80 points, creating higher highs and higher lows. Some of us scaled out at these levels, you know, and continue to leave runners in the market. Some snipers left the entire trade running and it created a new daily higher high. So that is one trade we took in Live London as a group. We do a top-down analysis. We give a little bit of feedback, why we're taking buys, and you guys are welcome to ask questions in our live Zoom call. So that was US30. I want to go over also a trade on GBPUSD. So let's break down GBPUSD, okay? And I would like to break down leading into this trade. Okay, so again, we did a full top-down analysis on GBPUSD. We identified our key critical areas, purple line representing the high of the day up here. So we can see London market came up, okay, coming up here. It closed above, and now we're looking for more confirmation volume to continue to take a buy. It was a bearish candle coming down, so no buy. This is a false break. It continued with higher lows coming up here again at 420, 425, closing above. But the candle volume came back below. So we were looking for buys up here, but we really didn't get any confirmed strong volume closing above. Yes, there was a few fake outs, but we didn't trade this. And then another area we were targeting was down here at 1.2150. Hourly support and a trend line break. So we were seeing if it could get rejected here, multi-rejections at this area of supply in the high of the day, and we're looking to take a short position below here. So let's just run it back a few candles, okay? We had a big bullish candle close above. Again, we assume that the next candle is going to be red and it comes down and engulfs. So no buy. We had another fake out. So there was one fake out, two fake out, about 3 fake outs to the high. So we predict that the market is going to sell off and come down after all of these liquidity grabs to the high. And here is the candle that came, tested, okay, 5 a.m. So remember what I said earlier. Now we have a new hourly candle opening the market. We are pushing down. So all we need now is some volume to close below this area and give us a retest. So it could be the new hourly candle coming down and right here. So just after 10 minutes after 5, we start to see the first volume-filled candle close below. Now we're just looking for a retest of here to take a sell position and place our stop loss above here. This is the candle where we sold on. So we see it retest and break. We sell the break of structure, and we can either place our stop loss above previous structure, or you can place your stop loss above the identified supply area up here. And what we're looking for is to come back down to these lows, yellow line to the daily 121.30, and see if we bounce and continue to push down. So we were in a sell on GBPUSD and it continued to push down. And this candle at 5:30, a new 30-minute candle, bringing in volatility, closing below a daily identified yellow line. Now we're looking for a pullback and to continue to push down a little bit. And there it is. So it pushes down and it comes up to retest this zone right here. And it continues to push down a little bit further, where this move from right here all the way coming back down, you can see it's about 36 pips on GBPUSD. So this was one of the sells we took. We also had a buy on oil that hit profit, and we also had a trade on NASDAQ that hit a stop loss. And so I don't have time to go over those, but I will on future calls. We're going to do more of these. And I also want to show a AI SST trade signal that came out to the group today on US30. So I want to show you this trade as well. And I'm going to break down where it happened. Okay. So we're going to go to the 15-minute time frame, because that's when the signal was sent out, on a 15-minute time frame. Okay, so what it was sent out today just before noon, okay, 12 p.m. Eastern. It was a Dow sell at 33,860. So I'm just going to place a line at 33,860 on global prime chart. We're looking for a break of structure right here where this white line is. Okay, we're looking for volume to close below and continue to push down. So it was sent out at 11:57. Okay, so right here, 11:57, we're starting to get a break of structure below here as well. Okay, so this is the 15-minute candle at 12. It closed below. This is the retest. So this is where we can initiate a short position below here and continue to drop it down, where it pushed down all the way, and the market is still down here right now. This is currently live. Okay, where did we suggest to place a stop loss? Stop loss at 33,900, like right over here, above previous high structure, and we're looking for profit at 33,700. Okay, but it continued to really break down right here at 130. Again, a new 30-minute candle coming in the market. So I just want to highlight this area now. So if you trade on 5 minutes, you could also look where to enter on a lower time frame. So let's look at the 5 minutes, and this is the 5-minute structure, guys. Okay, so you can see we have like a little bit of a double top where we came up. There's our neckline. Sorry, here's our neckline. 1 second, let me just get a new okay, so pathway. So we came up, here's our neckline. We have a lower high here, okay? So this is when the trade idea came out at 11:57, so just before 12 o'clock. So what we're looking for is volume to stay below here, 33,860, and also to close below this neckline. Here's our neckline. This is where previous structure held the market, where it continued to push up, but now we're closing with volume below. So if we get into a sell, we place our stop loss above structure, and now you can see it's making lower lows and lower highs. See how it comes back to a daily yellow line. It gets rejected, 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 rejected. A bearish candle, close below a new daily line, pull back, and we continue with downward momentum and continue to push down. Then we come into some consolidation right over here, where the market consolidates from this daily area to the purple line, which was today's previous low. And now we are currently breaking right here with this body closing below and continuing to penetrate down to our next area of daily support right here, 33,500. We may get a bounce in the market this afternoon, or we may continue to sell off. And this trade signal that we sent out at noon today with the AI was a sell position, 860, and it's already running 350 pips. If you're holding the entire move, if you've got a runner in the market, if you're scalping, guys, okay, this candle and this candle alone, just these two bars, just to show you how many pips you can get in about 10 minutes is about 70, 80 pips. And even the break of structure right here. So when you start to see structure being formed in the market and we're continuing to break below, you can continue to sell down with the market while taking profit out of the market. Here we have the structure holding this candle, 1:30 p.m., new 30-minute candle open in the market, close below. We have an ignited bar. We can take the sell stop loss above here, and we run these two candles down for an additional profit of 80 to 90 pips. So we have long trades in the market, and we can also do short scalping. So here was Wall Street open today, 9:30. We came down, picked up liquidity. We had this big bullish move, continued to come up, and now the market rotated right back down. We broke below Wall Street's low, and you see the retest, multiple retests getting rejected, and that's why the market is moving, continuing down with a new daily low. And that was from our AI trade signal, guys. So we went over our live London US30 buy right over here. This is where we had the US30 buy. We went over the GBPUSD sell, and this was a trade signal sent out from our AI signal to the Discord group, and this one is about 350 pips down in profit. So guys, please, if you like this type of content, leave us a comment. Leave us a comment on what you'd like to see on trade recaps, any particular webinars that you'd like to see going forward, or tutorials. Check out our free education section on YouTube. If you'd like to join the SST team and join us with all of our courses over here, guys. This is our sniper education. We have a boot camps that are out that show everything from day one, psychology, trading types of traders, day two, smart money concepts, day three, technical indicators and strategies, back testing. This is all of day one. Everything you need to know about psychology of trading is in there. Types of traders we have in here, videos, smart money concepts. If you want to learn how to do top-down analysis, learn about volume and liquidity, learn about institutional trading, support and resistance, supply and demand areas. If you are wondering what accumulation, distribution, consolidation zones, the different market phase cycles, anything, what is a breakout trading, retracement, pullback trading, order blocks, imbalance, what are liquidity fills, hunts, stop loss raids, and how to trade wicks on candles. Then when you want to take your trading and education to the next level with adding technical indicators, we go over some detailed indicators here, Keltner channels, CCI, money flow index, pivot points, and then we go into back testing Q&A. This is just some content from our previous boot camp that we did, but we also have courses here that are prerequisites to open up the next course with quizzes, intro to Forex, Forex fundamentals, learn all about your candlestick characteristics, learn about price action. Then when you learn that, you can start to advance into identifying support and resistance, chart patterns, add some new technical indicators to your trading, and some sniper strategies. We have webinars that we conduct every single Wednesday for about 2 hours. We've got over almost 78, almost 80 webinars here, tons of content. Any question you have about trading, it's in here. If it's not, we will create one. And then all of our live trading that we do in London, in New York, post New York, anything we do with FOMC, NFP, power hours, they are all uploaded here for further review. We also have this channel right here that shows videos of how we break down our Discord AI signals and further education on how to trade them and continue to grab some pips, guys. So thank you guys for your time. I know you guys are busy. I appreciate you guys. Leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, join us in our live trading on YouTube. If you want to join the Sniper team, we'd love to have you on the team. Join our Discord community, jump in with us, learn with us, earn with us, and let's have a positive 2023. Thank you, everybody. God bless everybody, and have a nice day. I hope you guys enjoy these trade recaps. Leave us a comment if there's anything else you'd like to see. Thank you guys, and have a great day.